fall to pieces, I'm falling. Fell to pieces, and I'm still falling. Every time I'm falling down, all alone I fall to pieces.
How do you define the Argentine fans? We know that they are very special, no?
Well, yeah, the Argentinian fans are very special. I could say very enthusiastic. It would be one way of putting it. I could just say fucking crazy.
Fucking crazy. Directly.
Yeah, I mean, we got to the airport and they were at the airport, and they're just so passionate about it. It's not like that anywhere else in the world. So it's exciting. It's the kind of thing where you want to play that much harder for them because they go 110% to show you that they appreciate that you're here.
Every time I'm falling down, all alone I fall to pieces. Every time I'm falling down, all alone I fall to pieces. Every time falling down, all alone I fall to pieces. Every time falling down, all alone I fall to pieces. Come on! Come on! Come on! All right.
Velvet Revolver is like a dream team of rock and roll, no? Every musician, it's very huge and big. How do you manage to combine the egos, the personality you have, every one of you? How do you get on together?
It was tricky. We did that last tour, lasted 19 months, and I realized once we got into it that everybody has established ways of doing things. I do, Duff does, Scott does, Dave, Matt, we've all been doing this for a long time, so there's no like arguing with any of us. And then it just took a matter of just everybody sort of getting into the groove together and all that kind of stuff, and it's relatively easy. When it comes to playing and writing and recording, never a problem. It's the business shit that we all have to sort of get on the same page.
Today, I think you are going to play, obviously, the songs of Velvet Revolver. I think, a song of Guns N' Roses and some song of Stone Temple Pilots in the list.
Yeah, we're doing, with the exception of some new songs off the new record, we're playing a lot of the same set that we did on our last tour because we've never played here before. So we're doing some, those covers, and we're doing some stuff off the Contraband record, and then also a couple of songs off the Libertad record.
Do you miss something of the period of Guns N' Roses? Do you remember something, or you are so happy now that you don't remember anything and you don't want to remember your times in Guns N' Roses?
No, I remember everything, and it's all great, and I'm very proud to have been part of that legacy, and I really feel like I left while it was still cool.
Just
It's true. The name of the album is Libertad.
Sí, sí.
Why in Spanish and not freedom?
Because I think the story is about a year ago. I think Duff was wearing the T-shirt, and Scott said, "What does that mean?" And I was like, "That means freedom, liberty, you know." And he thought that'd make a great title for a record, and it just stuck ever since. And now, at this point, because of everything that we've gone through, and we're still together, and we beat all the odds, I think it's a very appropriate name.
We say nothing seems to please me. Don't feel so right. With a pain into the night. So come with me. Don't ask me where, 'cause I don't know. Don't try to tempt you. Ain't got no money, but it's all to show. It's so easy. So fucking easy. It's so easy. So fucking easy. It's so easy. So fucking easy. It's so easy. It's so easy. So fucking easy. It's so easy.
Velvet Revolver estuvo tocando en el último día del Quilmes Rock 07 antes de Aerosmith, y una de las sorpresas que dio sobre el escenario fue cantar uno de los temas clásicos de Pink Floyd, Wish You Were Here, allí, en la cancha de River, los Velvet Revolver. Recordamos la versión impresionante.
So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail, a smile from a veil? Do you think you can tell? Did they get you to trade? Trees, hot air from a cool breeze, cold comfort for change. Did they get you to trade? A walk-on part in the war for the lead role in the cage. Slash. How I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground, but haven't found the same old fears. Wish you were here. wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground, but haven't found the same old fears. Wish you were here. How I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. We haven't found the same old fears. Wish you were here. How I wish you were here.